right about here is where I learned an important lesson. Keep your mouth closed when rafting whitewater. We're here rafting Browns Canyon, one of the nation's newest national monuments. It's a place of quiet beauty and raging whitewater. And we're led by our trusty guide Mel, who's here to make sure we're rafting and not falling out and going swimming. Hey, I'm Trevor, and today we're headed out to find the most amazing experiences. There's no fear of missing out here, so come on as we take our next Rocky Mountain adventure. Thousands of people come here every spring and summer to raft the Arkansas River, as it flows down from the Continental Divide on its long trip to the mighty Mississippi, 3 states to the east. Most of the rafting trips start near Salida, and guides drive you upstream in converted school buses. Releases from a dam upstream help keep the flows consistent, although this year has been really rowdy thanks to last winter's snowfall. And speaking of snow, this water is usually pretty darn cold, so we're wearing special jackets to keep off the chill and life vests, which are mandatory. From there, it's just a hop, skip, and a jump to being on the water. And while most of the river is pretty calm, that's not why any of us are here. We're here for the greatest hits, which just keep coming. We raft about 20 miles downstream through rapids called the Toilet Bowl and Raft Ripper and the Staircase. But there's another word for them: fun. None of these rapids are super dangerous, although that can change dramatically with the water level and the crew you're paddling with. On our trip, our guide Mel had us working as a team within minutes, calling out commands as she picked our lines and set the pace. We charged through boiling whitewater that kept putting smiles on our faces. Now, successful navigation gets you a paddle high five, but one reminder: don't take your eyes off the water. Whoa!